And once again, happy fall and all things fall. And if you're like me, one of the things that you love so much about fall are all of the county fairs and the state fairs and the festivals. And that one thing that we love and look so much forward to when we go to the fair, funnel cakes. Well, guess what? Sadly, they're covered in sugar and all that kind of stuff. And so those of us who are sugar alternative, we can't really take part in that. So I'm going to show you how to make sugar alternative funnel cakes right in your own home. Let's get started. All right, we've got our oil preheating, right? And we have our sifted flour. Into that is going to go our coconut sugar. Now, if you want to use the regular sugar, you go right ahead. All right, and you remember, guys, that all of those ingredients will be listed below, okay? So when you've got your dry ingredients together, just give those a little whisk. Right, and in here we have our sifted flour, coconut sugar, baking powder, and salt. All right? All right, we're just going to set that aside right quickly so that we can get our wet ingredients combined. We're going with 2 large eggs, our milk, a little bit of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, now we're going to whisk all of that to combine, and then we're going to add that into our dry ingredients. And it looks like our oil is about ready. Yay, yay, yay. Let's get that combined. That smells wonderful already. We haven't even put it in the fryer, you guys. With the funnel cake batter, you want to whisk this until everything is very, very well incorporated and all of your lumps are removed. Unlike when you do pancakes and waffles and you want to leave a little bit of lumps. Well, with this one, you do not. You want it to be lump free. The thing about making a funnel cake, and they do make those little pitchers, but I've got a couple of hacks for you. If you do not have a funnel cake pitcher, let me show you how we're doing it, because I do not have a funnel cake pitcher. I'm going to take this out of my bowl and put it into my little stainless steel pitcher here. And from there, I'm going to put it into our actual funnel. So this is going to be a real funnel cake. All right, now that we have our batter in our little pour pitcher, we're going to grab our actual funnel. All right, now what you need to look at is the diameter of the spout that you're using. All right, so I'm going to use my medium funnel because that spout's about the thickness, the diameter that I want when I'm pouring my batter into the oil. All right, now remember that if you're using a funnel, you got to plug it at the end, right? All right, we've got our plug in, which is my finger right here. And I'm going to pour in about as much batter as I want to make the size of my funnel cake. Okay, so we're going with that much batter right here on this first one. Ready and release. Okay, now we gotta wait until our funnel cake starts getting golden brown around the edges. And at that point in time, it'll be nice and set. And hopefully it will flip well for us. We'll see. Okay guys, very easily and carefully, we're lifting our funnel cake out of the oil, let it drain a little bit, and then over to our paper towel lined baking sheet. Oh, That's not gonna last around this house very long, I can tell you that. Okay guys, while you're waiting on your funnel cake to be ready to turn, one of the ways that you can tell if it's ready to turn is slip your spatula or whatever it is you're using to turn, slip it underneath and raise on the edge a little bit. When it raises all in one piece, then it's about ready to turn. And I'll show you that again. Scooch under, and as I raise it, you can tell that the whole piece is coming up. As you can see, all of our beautiful funnel cakes here on our baking tray. We have one left in there, a big Mac Daddy funnel cake. That'll be the family funnel cake. But while that's still finishing, I cannot wait to try one of these. I just love these so much. Funnel cakes are just one of those treats, you know, maybe once a year, probably not even once a year. My beautiful funnel cake. And continuing with the sugar alternative, you can finish it with some powdered sugar, or in this case, I have Swerve Confectioner's Sugar Style blend in here. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that just put you in the mood for fall? Right there, right? Now, you can have it just like this, which I'm going to have some of. Amazing. So yum. Or you can do this. A little bit of our homemade cherry pie filling. Oh my goodness sakes. Now, because I've got the nice hot cherry pie filling on there, I am going to use my fork. I know, Lindsay thinks it's a sin to use a fork on a funnel cake, but I don't know how else you're going to get all that good cherry in there. Wow, you guys, that is phenomenal. I'm telling you, you got to try this. When you do, leave me a comment. Let me know. Especially let me know what topping combinations that you did with yours, okay? And guys, don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up on that if you would. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can see all of our wonderful fall and autumn festival fun ideas that we're bringing to you this autumn. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does. Oh, and guys, don't forget to stay tuned for the homemade corn dogs and deep fried dill pickles.